Here's the tweet I made a couple days ago. My Prusa Mini was in the middle of printing something and it just decided to stop working. And the motor and the pulleys and everything that moves the bed back and forth just stopped. I posted this tweet because I knew something was seriously wrong. It wasn't something minor. I posted this tweet saying that I'm gonna have to take it apart and check the bearings and other things. I have this crazy stuff on this. So this got a lot of response. Even Loyal Moses replied, and Loyal Moses even sending me another Prusa until I can get this one fixed, right? Today, I go outside and check the mail and I got a package. I'm like, what is this? I didn't order anything. Someone sent me a whole new set of bearings for the Mini and the MK3S for both printers. And you know what? Let me see if I can zoom in on this bearing and see who sent this. Let's see. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but some company by the name of FilamentOne, who I just happen to be an affiliate with, who I got those plates from, they just up and sent me bearings. I'm like, what? I didn't buy these. And I don't even know if bearings are the problem, but I now have bearings. I have extra bearings. I was just thinking to myself, man, the 3D printing community is so amazing. They just sent me bearings. I don't even know if the bearings are bad. And they just sent them. This isn't a hashtag ad moment. This is a hashtag Buona is amazed moment. So thank you again to FilamentOne, who makes these great ulti sticks. You see them on my printer over here. And they also have a bunch of filament. They also have a bunch of parts and stuff. They just sent me these, man. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, FilamentOne. I'm floored.